The boys are fighting over who gets the green passy. And it keeps going back and forth. Come on, Brandon, show them your muscles. Oh my goodness, you boys crack me up. Hi. Is he gonna get you? Is he gonna get your passy again? Save yourself. Alright. Just wanted to show Daddy what the boys were doing today. They're not playing very nice today. They must be mad at each other. Say we love you, Dad.